Hi, I am Neil Farah. Today, I am going to teach you how to adjust column widths and row heights in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, you can easily adjust column widths and row heights to make your data fit better and improve the overall appearance of your spreadsheet. Here's how you can do it. Adjusting column widths. Hover your mouse cursor over the right boundary of the column header letter. The cursor will change to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the boundary to the left or right to adjust the column width to your desired size. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the width. Alternatively, you can right-click on the column header letter, select Resize Column, and enter a specific width value in pixels or use one of the predefined options, example, Fit to Data. Adjusting row heights. Hover your mouse cursor over the bottom boundary of the row number. The cursor will change to a double-sided arrow. Click and drag the boundary up or down to adjust the row height to your desired size. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the height. Similarly, you can right-click on the row number, select Resize Row, and enter a specific height value in pixels or use one of the predefined options, example, Fit to Data. Additional tips. To adjust the width or height for multiple columns or rows simultaneously. Select the desired columns or rows, click on the column/row header letter/number, then use the same methods described above to resize them all at once. By following these steps and tips, you can easily adjust column widths and row heights in Google Sheets to suit your needs and make your spreadsheet look well organized. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you at the next tutorial.